Mix these 3 ingredients. They will help you to be the king at night. They will give you more energy, and besides, you will perform well as a man once you can mix these 3 ingredients and consume the 3 of them. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 3 ingredients you need to mix in order to be the king at night? No matter your age, even if you are 80 years, 95 years, 100 years, this recipe will work for you perfectly. What will this recipe give you? This recipe will give you, number 1, it will make you to have a good stamina. It will increase your libido, and it will help you to have more strength and more energy as a man. With all this, it will also boost up your sperm count and make you to last longer. What are the 3 ingredients? The 3 ingredients are, number 1 is egg. Everybody knows egg. It is not the cooked one, but the raw one. Raw one that is not cooked. Number 2 ingredients you need is honey. This honey is very, very important in this recipe. And the last is milk. So these are the 3 ingredients you are going to mix together and drink it raw. Take it raw, no boiling, no heating. Drink it as it is and wait for about 30 minutes, or let's assume or say 1 hour. Once you can wait up to 1 hour, then that is when the energy comes. That is when the libido increases. So that is it for today's video. Egg, honey, and milk. Mix the 3 of them together. Stir the egg properly so that it will mix together. Add milk and add 1 spoon of honey inside it and drink it as a man. It will give you all that I said, and besides, it will make you to last longer, increase your libido, and also make you to power like a horse. No matter your age, you are going to get all this from this recipe. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe to support this channel and to also be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like and share this video to your friends and families, people you know that might need this very recipe or this solution to last longer. If you have friends that don't last longer, maybe they complain to you about their performance as a man, recommend my channel to them. Share my videos to them for them to be a member of this channel and also benefit from what I upload on this channel. My sole aim of this channel, or my main ambition of creating this channel, is to help men globally. Not that I know all, but with the little ones I know, I will share it for the benefit of all men. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck. Bye.